This is a brief reminder about how to find Tennessee Electronic Library online and how to use it for doing research. The best place to go to find a link to TEL is to go into your Canvas dashboard and click on your Writing Center course and then click on Modules. We will scroll down to the section of my modules called Research Resources, and here you will find a link to Tennessee Electronic Library. From here, the most important thing to remember is where you enter your search terms. There are several boxes like the one you see on the homepage. They say search, but this is not actually where you put in your search terms for research. First, you want to click on All Resources. And then again, you want to skip this search box and come down here and scroll your different research resources available to you. Academic OneFile is a really great resource to go into. Many of these are organized by category, so you would consider using the criminal justice resource if you were researching something related to forensics or law. If you keep scrolling, there are a few other options that I like to recommend. General OneFile is another good resource to try for your search terms. High School Edition will give you articles in response to your search terms that are really aimed at grades 9 through 12 reading level. There's also a middle school portal, which you may not want to avoid if you're researching something very complicated. If the content that you are finding when you enter your search terms into other resources is really complicated and you're having trouble understanding your issue, starting here in the middle school portal and then moving on to others might be a good idea. Opposing viewpoints is also a great option for research at CCS, especially if it's a controversial topic. So once you click on one of these options, now you are ready to enter in your search term. Remember that here you can limit what you are seeing. So you could click here to make sure everything that shows up below is from an academic journal. You could limit it to statistics. You could limit it to infographics. So you will scroll your search results. When you find one that works for you, keep in mind that there are a few features to make your life easier and make this project go well for you. For example, if you click Cite and you're here on MLA, you have your MLA citation that you can copy over. And then you will want to click Send to Google Drive. That way, this article gets sent directly to your drive in a doc, and you no longer have to go into Tennessee Electronic Library to read it again. I will show you how to find this document once you've sent it to your drive. Click here on Drive. And if it is the most recent document that you have interacted with or sent, it will be here in the top left. Here it is. So I open it up and it will be here in a Google Doc for me. Also, you can look down below at the folders your drive has made for you, and you'll see that TEL has created folders in my drive for me. So if it came from opposing viewpoints, then I open it up, and this is everything that I have recently sent to my drive from opposing viewpoints. Here it is in a doc, so I could read it, I could highlight it. If I'm trying to share with group members, I can hit share. And then at the bottom of the doc, TEL has also provided the citation here, which you will need for your assignment.